Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have Facebook ads bundle pack. Here is 10 pack 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and every folder have 9 templates, PSD, and with font link. Here is 9 and here is 9, so you can adjust one by one. For example, I try this file, drag on Photoshop, simply import your image here, write your text, change background color. For example, open photo like this. Okay, enter Ctrl S. You can see our opacity is up down, depend yourself. Change color like this, or her hair black, so and so. Close this file, and one by one you can adjust here. Here is 4 image option, and here is 6 image option. One, two, three, 4, and write your own text. Volume 6, and here is volume 8, have 9 files. Open with drag to Photoshop, lookbook, shop now. Import your book cover or your main title page. Very simple for edit. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.